Are you tired of manual work? Check out these 5 powerful AI tools that can save you tons of time. Number 1. Synthesia.io. It's a professional video production made easy, for everyone. Synthesia is a web-based platform for creating videos with AI avatars and voices. Thousands of companies use it to create videos at scale. You can create professional videos in over 60 languages. Use them to train your employees, onboard your customers and share knowledge at scale. Number 2. Supermeme.ai. It's a powerful and fun tool. Generate original memes powered by AI in 110+ languages. Simply typing a sentence and letting the AI automatically choose the template and write a caption. Step up your meme marketing game with Supermeme. Number 3. Unscreen.com. Do you want to change your video's background without using chroma? Here's the solution. Unscreen remove background from any video. It works 100% automatically, without a single click, producing background-free video used to require complex and fiddly techniques like chroma-keying and greenscreens. With Unscreen you can record your footage anywhere, then simply get rid of the background. Number 4. Excelformulabot.com. Stop wasting hours creating Excel formulas. Experience the full power of Excel and Google Sheets AI formula generators to solve problems in seconds. Transform your text instructions into Excel formulas in seconds with the help of AI. A must-explore tool. Number 5. Photosonic.writesonic.com. Photosonic is a web-based tool that lets you create realistic or artistic images from any text description, using a state-of-the-art text-to-image AI model. The model is based on latent diffusion, a process that gradually transforms a random noise image into a coherent image that matches the text. You can control the quality, diversity, and style of the generated images by adjusting the description and rerunning the model. Thanks for watching the video. If you enjoy the content, please show your support by liking and subscribing to Pakistan Online Business.